Welcome to Visionary Designs, where we transform spaces into sanctuaries for both body and soul. Today, we're unveiling the secrets to crafting the ultimate wellness living room, a haven where every detail is thoughtfully designed to enhance your well-being. Before we dive into this journey, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content on creating spaces that nurture and renew. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest design insights. Let's dive in. Imagine stepping into a space that immediately puts you at ease. Breathe in the fresh, invigorating air, subtly scented with natural essences that instantly calm and refresh. As you take a deep breath, you can almost feel the stress melting away from your shoulders. Natural light streams through large, energy-efficient windows, bathing the room in a soft, warm glow. The play of light and shadow throughout the day creates a dynamic, ever-changing atmosphere that keeps you connected to the rhythms of nature. The color palette is a symphony of soothing hues, harmoniously chosen to create a serene and restful environment. Walls in soft, muted greens evoke the tranquility of a forest glade, while accents in gentle blues recall clear skies and calm waters. These colors work in harmony to lower your heart rate and promote a sense of peace. Texture plays a crucial role in this wellness-focused space. Beneath your feet, you might feel the gentle give of a wool rug, its natural fibers grounding you to the earth. The sofa, upholstered in organic cotton, invites you to sink in and relax. Throw pillows in various natural materials: linen, hemp, bamboo. Add depth and interest while delighting your sense of touch. In one corner, a lush, living wall seamlessly brings the outdoors inside, serving as a vertical garden that purifies the air and offers a visual feast of verdant beauty. Can you hear the gentle trickle of water? A small tabletop fountain adds a soothing soundtrack to the space, its gentle flow evoking the calm of a woodland stream. Furniture is thoughtfully arranged to encourage both lively conversations and peaceful contemplation, fostering connections and moments of solitude. A comfortable reading nook by the window offers a perfect spot for quiet reflection, while a cluster of seats creates a cozy area for connecting with loved ones. Each piece is chosen not just for its aesthetics, but for its ergonomic design, supporting your body and encouraging good posture. Lighting is layered to adapt to your needs throughout the day. In addition to the natural light, smart bulbs mimic the sun's changing intensity, helping to regulate your circadian rhythm. As evening falls, the lights gradually shift to warmer tones, preparing your body for rest. Plants are more than just decorative elements in this space. They're integral to its design. A majestic fiddle leaf fig stands sentinel in one corner, while pothos vines trail from floating shelves, their heart-shaped leaves adding a touch of whimsy. These green companions not only purify the air, but also provide a connection to the natural world, reducing stress and improving cognitive function. Art in this wellness-focused living room is chosen for its calming properties. Perhaps a large canvas depicting a serene landscape, or abstract pieces in soothing colors that invite contemplation. Each piece is a window into a moment of tranquility, offering a mental escape when needed. Storage solutions are seamlessly integrated, maintaining a clutter-free environment that allows the mind to rest. Baskets woven from natural fibers hold magazines and throws, while built-in shelving displays cherished objects and books in a way that feels curated rather than crowded. As you move through this space, you might notice subtle aromatherapy at work. A diffuser gently releases calming essential oils like lavender or eucalyptus, enveloping the room in a soothing aroma that enhances its restorative atmosphere. This living room isn't just a place to relax, it's a space that actively contributes to your well-being. Every element, from the organic shapes of the furniture to the gentle curves of the decorative objects, is designed to soothe and restore. As the day winds down, imagine settling into this space. The soft glow of table lamps creates pools of warm light, inviting you to unwind. The room seems to embrace you, providing a cocoon of comfort where you can recharge and reconnect with yourself. In creating the ultimate wellness living room, we've crafted more than just a beautiful space. We've designed an environment that supports your physical and mental health, a sanctuary that helps you navigate the stresses of modern life with greater ease. Remember, the power of design extends beyond aesthetics. It has the ability to shape our experiences and enhance our quality of life. By incorporating elements of biophilic design, embracing the principles of Zen spaces, and paying attention to details like air quality and lighting, we can create living rooms that truly nurture our well-being. We hope this exploration of the ultimate wellness living room inspires you to reimagine your own space as a sanctuary of comfort and rejuvenation. We'd love to hear your thoughts and ideas in the comments below. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Until next time, may your living space be a source of comfort, rejuvenation, and harmony.